What is up everyone? In today's videos, we're looking at a project that could potentially fall 50x this year. The Fundera Network token presale. Now, before we dive in, a quick disclaimer, this is not a financial advice, always do your own research. We've seen massive gains in DeFi, bridges, and DEX in fast cycles. Early movers are the ones who usually secure the biggest bugs. Right now, Fundera Network is at a very early stage. I personally pick off a small bug myself. If you decide to jump in, only invest what you're comfortable with. Better to be on the rocket than watching it fly by. With AI and DeFi exploding right now, this could be a major gem for 2026. So now let's head over to the official site at Fundera.io. Fundera Network isn't just a token, it's full ecosystem. It brings together AI, Web3, apps, and advanced layers on top of existing blockchains. What caught my eye is utility. We're talking about staking and farming pools for passive income, a DEX trading terminal with AI analytics, arbitrage tools to help you spot price gaps across market. Basically, it combines all the tools you need into one unified interface, making it way easier to execute profitable strategies. How to participate? First of all, you need to connect your wallet. Any crypto wallets just have Sol, ETH, BNB, Base, and Arbitrum. So me, I use MetaMask. After you connect your wallet, right here you can participate on the pre-sale before the price increase. Ensure you're on the right network. Fundera makes it easy to contribute from multiple chains like BNB or Ethereum. Okay, now buying another 20,000 FDR tokens, which is worth 10 USDT. I use a BNB or Binance Smart Chain network. Then I select here the currency of USDT so I can easily buy the tokens. So right here, I'm gonna click this buying and then confirm the transaction, which is you need to review and then confirm. Alright, successfully purchase the token. After this, I go to dashboard, which is you can check your token balance, your confirmed tokens, pending, and claim. Right here you can claim tokens. Just click claim so you can get your token directly on your MetaMask or any crypto wallet that you connect and use to purchase the token. Example, I'm gonna claim this token right here and then click claim. Now the token is sending to my wallet. But if you want to earn more tokens, you can go to the staking, which will be released soon in the future. And if you really want to earn tokens here, you can invite your friends. Just copy your link, then share to your friends. If your friends purchase token, any amount you will get a commission here. You can also withdraw to your wallet. You can also follow their X account for more updates here and also giveaway and airdrop. Right here, they have an announcement about partnership and giveaway. Right here, Fundera X CoinMarketCap, which is announcement to share you guys the features on CoinMarketCap. You can check out the details and article on the official website of CoinMarketCap. And right here, a big news about new features on Binance Fundera X Binance. For the giveaway, you can check it out here and you can participate and chance to win up to 200,000 FDR and 1,000 USDT. So good luck guys, don't miss the opportunity. Join here, and if you want to invest on this token, you can purchase on my link down below. And hopefully, this token will launch and listed on big major exchange soon. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. God bless and goodbye. See you in my next video. Peace out.